Hey guys, so today I'm going to show you first look of Vivo X30. An industry insider with a consistent track record of revealing information on forthcoming phones, has leaked two images of the display panel of the alleged Vivo X30. The new images reveal that the upcoming X30 smartphone will be arriving with a notch-enabled full-screen design like the Apple iPhone X, so I have created some renders based on that leaked image. Around 2 months ago, the rumored mill had revealed that the forthcoming Oppo R13 looks quite similar to the first OLED iPhone from Apple. The flagship phone from the upcoming Huawei P11 series is also speculated to feature a notch at the top side of the display. Xiaomi is also reportedly working on Mi Mix 2S with a similar design. Freshly leaked images of the display panel of the rumored Vivo X30 shows that it will be also appearing like the iPhone X, as it can be seen in the images. The alleged Vivo X30's top bezel has a U-shaped notch-like appearance. However, the notch is not as big as the one found on the iPhone X. It is small enough to house the earpiece and a front-facing camera. The probable reason behind a small-sized notch could be that it may not be featuring an advanced frontal camera, like the true depth camera system found on the iPhone X. The images also reveal that the handset will be arriving with ultra-thin side bezels and slightly thicker bottom bezel. Vivo has recently launched the Vivo X20 Plus in fingerprint screen version as the world's first under-display fingerprint scanner phone. However, there is no confirmation on whether the Vivo X30 will be featuring an in-display fingerprint reader. It may so happen that the new biometric recognition technology could be available on the larger Vivo X30 Plus phone, hence the X30 may come with a rear-mounted fingerprint reader. As of now, there are no details available on the specifications of the X30. As always, we advise our viewers to take this report with a grain of salt, as the authenticity of the leaked images remains to be confirmed. What do you think about the design of the Vivo X30? Share us your views by starting a conversation below. Don't forget to subscribe our channel for more updates in future. And also like and share this video.